All right, so what you're going to need is you've got your tint, your headlight cover. They make it in yellow and orange. They make all kinds of colors. I'm going to go with amber. So what I do is I cut a piece off. I'm letting it flatten out because you can see it wants to really pull up, and it's easier to work with if it's flat. You're going to need a squeegee, something to cut with, scissors, X-Acto, a knife, all right, box knife. You're going to need some soapy water, some glass cleaner, all right. So while we're letting this, get where it is, we're going to go ahead, we're going to head over to the bike, we're going to take off the cover, the lens, so we can get it ready to wrap up. It looks like it's going to be 3 pieces here. Got a seal, plastic glass, and the cage. You know what we're going to do? Okay. We're going to go ahead and do one side and compare it. All right? That way if it doesn't work, then I haven't wasted a bunch of time. If it works, we'll come back and do the second side. You guys don't need to be shown how to do it twice. All right? Save you guys some time watching lame videos or whatnot. So let's go ahead and let's get this one covered up. All right, we got everything taken apart. Like I said, it's 3 pieces. Okay, you've got the lens, you've got the gasket, and you've got the cover. Okay, so put everything where you're not going to lose it. You only really need to do this to the one side that you're going to clean, and you're going to need a soft cloth. Got to be clean. What's nice about these, even though they're cheap, lens comes right on off. So, okay, we got that all nice and cleaned up. I'm seriously having a fight with my camera. Okay, so what I did was spray the soapy water on the lens, okay? There are 2 sides to this film. There's a sticky side and a protective side, okay? I took off the protective side the first time. Don't do that, okay? Because you'll scratch up the film. So you'll spray the soapy water down. You'll get the sticky side of the tint undone. All right, you'll spray the film lightly with soapy water. Okay, and you'll do this. Okay? What it'll do is it'll not only push the bubbles out, but when you use the squeegee and if you roll it, you're not only pushing the soapy water out, you're pushing the bubbles out as well. So if you look, there are no bubbles in there and it's nice and clean. This has been sitting for a few minutes, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put another coat on it, okay? So you guys can see what happened last time, okay? So we're going and you'll go ahead and you'll trim along the edge. You may want to let it dry for quite a while. Mine's alright, it's pretty dry. You're going to trim it. Actually, flipping it over is a little easier to trim. And just remember what side you got on what. And you go back on. Okay? Just the way it came off. And there's your tint. Pretty easy. And you're going to want to clean this before you put it back on. Of course. You're just going to slide it on back in there. Oh yeah, I like the way it looks already. I do. I think that's too darn bad looking. They're going to be functional. And I've got a whopping $47 into these lights with the switch and everything. Thanks for watching. Come back and make sure you give us a thumbs up, please. And if you haven't had a chance, check out my daughter's videos, man. They're pretty cool. I've got 2 more to post, and then she'll be done. She's already ripping around the yard in it, like nobody's business. I can't wait to get her back out on the track. She says she's not ready for it yet, and I'm not going to push her, but I've got video of her riding. We haven't hit anything yet, so all's good. Anyways, if you can, check out those videos. It's Wrench Time with Brody. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments section. If you haven't had a chance, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified of future updates. Anyway, thanks for watching.